Welcome, seniors. Week 4 of online COVID learning. Hopefully, you had a good Easter. A couple of notes here as we get into this week. Last week, we talked a lot about LB 399 and the ramifications of making sure that we get that project done. And so, just please make sure that we're making some progress on that. And so, basically, our assignments for the week go to meeting that objective or meeting those goals. The first one is we're still going to Zoom on Thursday, so we've got a couple of days and then we'll hit that. Basically, what we're going to do on that Zoom on Thursday is talk about our groups and talk about the project moving forward. And we need to practice sharing screens, maybe even practice doing a little bit of small group work there. I will probably have a couple of current events for us to go over on Thursday. So I envision that being about a 20 minute setting. The second assignment for the week will be to answer 2 journal questions, and those 2 journal questions deal with the fact that one is looking back on your formal educational years. See what did you love, what did you hate, what's something that you just endured because that's what you had to do, and it's kind of starting that reflective process of looking at some of the things that you've gone through throughout the course of your life. The other journal question is looking at who you're going to live with next year. Are you going to live in a dorm? Are you going to live in an apartment? Are you going to live in a house? Who are your roommates? So that's the other journal question. Some of you probably know that perfectly, and some of you maybe don't quite know that yet. So just kind of get your mind spinning in that direction, and let's just hope that come fall we're back to business as usual and normal life. The third thing you need to do for this week, so you got the Zoom on Thursday, you got a couple journal questions to answer, and then the third thing that I want to do with you is I would like to meet with you one-on-one at some point on Friday, and I would like to Zoom with you one-on-one, and I want to know about your progress on the paper or the project. Okay, so when we do that, we're gonna share screens, and I want you to show me everything that you have. I want you to show me your paper so I can read through it. If you have projects, I want to see what it is that you're actually working on, and you will be able to do that by linking through our normal Thursday 9 a.m. Zoom. What I will do is in the morning on Friday, I will open that up at about 7:45, and it'll be on a first come, first served basis. And basically, I'm just going to leave that Zoom open. And as people come in, it'll ding. If you're still waiting in the waiting room, that means you're waiting. But I envision that to be about 5 minutes per person. But we need to be able to meet to discuss the final projects, because you need to be able to tell me exactly what it is you're doing, so that way I can write it down on my paper, get it in the spreadsheet, and move ahead. So those are the 3 things that you have for this week. You have a Zoom on Thursday, you have 2 journal questions to answer, and then you need to meet via Zoom again with me individually, one-on-one, to talk about your project or your paper. The other thing that I am going to put out that I should have had done by today was to have your small groups ready for that final project week, and I don't have it done yet. So I need to get that done and get that knocked out to you. And the other thing is there's a bunch of graduation updates, so make sure that you are seeing that stuff. Thank you to the 18 who responded to my update on the stream for last week. For the other 8 people, I don't know. I put a comment on the email there that said Bueller. I mean, do you guys not not read that stuff or what? But anyway, do your best to get stuff in. So we'll visit about that on Thursday as well. So I'm sure Mrs. Wallinger is going to hit you up. Maybe she hit you up already today. So anyway, hopefully you had a good Easter. Look forward to seeing you again on Thursday, and keep making some progress. Email me with questions. We'll talk to you later.